Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you that how you can create a content section within your Bootstrap. So let's make a code with the section which is have the class which is have the maybe empty class, and we need to simply add something like whatever you want. And for now we need to pass a background color here. Let me grab the color from the PSD and then add a simply style. And actually we don't need to define this color within a section. We just only simply go to the style.sass and import the section file, and then create the file into the custom with the name of sections.scss, and then define a content section. So we can also add a background color which is 2699FB. So now we need to simply add the exact name of that file, which is sections, and this is now sections. And now I'm gonna add a container here for the overflow of our content, and then add a row, and then add a h2 for the heading, and simply add some text which is lipsum, maybe ps10. My image is not working, so we need to simply grab some content from the PSD. Actually I'm gonna simply write here the content section heading. So I forgot to add the section tag here. You can simply add the section tag, and then add a heading, and then add a paragraph. Simply copy this and then paste here. So let me show you the results of the section. So this is how the content will displayed. We can also visually balance this content using some classes like class text centered, and then we need to make sure that the text color should be white, and we need to add some border with the lead, and then text should be white, and add the text center class, which is the default classes that Bootstrap are providing to us. So let me close this one and close this one. So now why it is making the translation, maybe the dummy content is the main purpose of this translation. And now you need to add the content right up to the row. to make center like this. Text, right, actually, and then grab this content above the row and then see the results. So that is how the content will work. Let me remove the lead class, add some paddings in the section, round padding 80 pixels from the top and bottom, because left right margin is already defined. Now we need to capitalize our heading, which is h2, and text transform uppercase. So our heading is capitalized now. Now we need to add some margins, maybe paddings from the bottom, around 30 pixels. So here we have got our content section results into our website. So that is how the content page will work. You can also define your own content section, whatever you want to. So you can also make some subscribe newsletter field in the bottom. Let me show you that how it will be added into the section. So you need to add a div form tag with no action, because we are working on in the front end. So then with the row, and then column should be column 12, and then we need to add some form group, which is a default class to make margins in the input fields of the Bootstrap. And also we need to make sure that our input field is 100%. So we need to add the form control class into the input field, and then we can also create a button here, which is maybe add a button and then some text, subscribe, and we need to also add the placeholder here with your email please, and our heading should be the subscribe newsletter. And that is how the things will work. Actually the input field, it is now 100%, and I'm gonna add some around 6 pixels, and the content justify center. Let me see that let me find the actual class that we can apply to make it central. Actually we need to add a 100% content with the again 100% div to make sure that the content is 100%. Maybe we need to define the button again. subscribe with the class btn primary. So let me see how it will work. Let me add some classes to make it central. Into the inspector, add some margin left auto, margin right auto. Let's see that if it will work. Margin right auto, display block. So it will definitely work. So we need to add the class which the Bootstrap is providing us is mx auto with the d block. Yeah, need to also add the into the editor, which is mx auto, which the Bootstrap have this class, which means margin, x means left right, and then auto, and the display block, the Bootstrap will provide us this class with the d block to make the button centered. So that's all for now, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the bell icon for the latest updates from my channel, and if you have any question, you can simply ask in the comments section, and you can also visit my website. I will add a link in the description, and if you want me to make a website for you, or maybe any section, and also you want to learn anything from regarding the UI UX, you can simply ask me the question, and we are also on social media. You can also follow us from there, and you can also install our apps, which is listed in the Play Store with the name of Trendy Tech Pro. And so that's all for now, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. See you guys in my next video.